Assalamu alaikum, my dear lovely viewers. You are highly welcome to Easy English Learning YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear viewers, today we learn how do you use meet in a sentence. How do you use meet in a sentence? If it is used as to see and talk to someone for the first time. They met at the cinema. Would you like to meet my cousin? If it is used as to come together with someone intentionally. Amy and I meet for brunch once a month. We agreed to meet on Friday to work on our new project. If it is used as to come together with someone without intending to, in that case, we use this meet. It is always awkward when you meet someone you know but can't remember their name. Guess who I met at the mall today? If it is used as to pay. The company has agreed to meet all our expenses. His latest book met all my expectations. If it is used as to wait at a place for someone or something to arrive, will you meet me at the airport? It is very kind of you to come all the way to meet me. If it is used as to touch or join something, the curtains do not quite meet. If it is used as to experience something, I have never met that kind of problems before. If it is used as to fulfill, satisfy, or achieve, we haven't found an office space that meets our needs. Here is the end of our English class for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.